Hi guys, today I'm going to do a virtual walk around our fresh into stock BMW 430d Msport. This has the Msport package on it as well, which comes with the splitter, side skirts and diffuser, giving it that real M performance look. And it's finished. It's very unique, Snapper Rocks blue colour, which is so nice. They go so well with the M Performance kit. We also have 19-inch M Sport Plus wheels with your blue M Sport calipers. You have your black wing mirrors and your M Performance sticker, which also has the extended side skirts from your M Performance kit. Going on to the front, you have your LCD headlights with your angel eyes. Lovely, lovely splitter for the M Performance kit. Going on to the back, it's finished with the M Performance lip spoiler, which just looks amazing. You also have your twin exhaust and your lovely diffuser, all M Performance package kit. Going on to the boot space. Great boot space, really a lot of space. Going on to the interior, you have your full leather seats. We have memory seats as well, and electric seats. You've got your M Sport chrome trim, electric folding wing mirrors, your automatic windows, Harman & Kardon sound system, so you've got the best sound. So if we go and turn the car on, wireless key, stop start entry. So once you turn the car on, you can see you've got your virtual dash on the cockpit there, so you get all your little dials on it. Got your speed function.
Speed warning. Please continue using manual control.
You also have your flappy paddles on each side with your cruise control, your volume control, and also your phone functions. Going on to the media display, you have the easy accessible media display, so you've got your DAB, FM, AM. You can also connect your phone through Bluetooth. If you're going over to the menu, got media and radio. You can connect through USB or Bluetooth. We also have full parking sensors front and rear. If you get up the navigation system, you have your navigation system, which is very easy accessible. It's all controlled through here. You have heated seats on either side and your dual zone climate control. If you have any more questions, please feel free to give our sales team a call. I will happily guide you through the rest. Cheers.